Yan na po. Panunumpa po ni Barack Obama. Yan na po.
Are you prepared to take the oath, Senator?
I am.
I, Barack Hussein Obama,
I,
do
Barack-
solemnly swear
Barack Hussein Obama, do solemnly swear
that I will execute the office of President to the United States faithfully,
that I will execute
faithfully the office of President of
the
the
office
United
of President of
States,
the United States faithfully,
and will, to the best of my ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
So help you God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
Yes! Barack Obama na po. 44th President na. Thank you. And Barack Obama is now the 44th President. Goodbye, Bush. Naputukan ng ano.
Si U.S. President-elect Barack Obama at aabangan na yung kanyang inaugural speech.
Medyo napigilan pa siya doon sa I will faithfully execute the office of the President. Kasi medyo mahaba-haba ang binigay na dictation.
Kaya inulit ni U.S. Supreme Court Judge John Roberts.
Tuwang-tuwa siya, proud siya sa kanyang husband, no? At yung mga kapatid, so help me God, wala yan sa Constitution eh. Dinagdag lang yan ng mga nakalipas na presidente, kaya ginamit na rin yun. At yan yung tinutugtog na pata, yun yung hail to the chief. Hail to the chief, infantry guard. Yan. Yung 21 gun salute. At pagkatapos niyan, i-deliver na ni President Barack Obama ang kanyang inaugural address. Pwede na natin siyang tawagin President.
President.
Dati President-elect.
President.
Habang hindi pa siya nanunumpa, President-elect ang dati.
President pa
Between
kaya.
the time na nanalo siya sa eleksyon at manunumpa siya, President-elect ang gamit natin.
Yan na po. Inaugural speech na po. Pero wag na po ituloy ang pag-video dahil mahaba na po masyado. Thank you.